Students, good afternoon. Today we will be discussing about Python keywords. This is the Python keywords. This is a part 3. Pythons have the different type of keywords. Java keyword also reserved keywords that are to we can record keyword Java entry different that can be used also. And individual Java language keywords that are Java programming cannot be used in identifier. Keyword cannot be avoided identifiers. Identifier means suppose you have declaration variables that will be identifier. When you have declare class name that also be identifier. When declare function name that also be identifier. Suppose you have declare methods that also be identifier. All are identifier. Identifier cannot be keywords. Keywords that word which is used or declared by the Python designers. Without keyword you cannot do any programs. There are different type abstract, continue, for, new, switch, asset, default, go to, package, boolean, do, if, private, this, break, double, implement so many keywords. But today we will be discussing how to run in source code and what will be output. Discussion about source code. Suppose you want to display message in Python, you have used print a keyword. A print is a method. Within print method you have declaration any message. Here we have declared good morning is a message with declare in a double quotation within the method of the print. Then output is that good morning, that also is a Python output. Here is that part to print hello world. When you have declared hello world, that output is that hello students. Hello student, here is that, but within the method anything you have declared on run of the program you have the output that also. Here is that source code number 3. Suppose you add up to number 6 plus 7. So automatically output is that 13. That also used in Python. Suppose you want to addition of 45, 12. When press enter, automatically output that 67. That also be output in the source code is that. Suppose in subtraction, here is that 49, 39. When you press enter after write the source code in Python, the output 63 automatically find out the compiler. Suppose you want to subtraction, then 35, 9, 20, then output automatically 20. When press enter according to right of the source code on Python. When you have multiplications, 12 multiplication 4, write this command on the Python program. So output automatically 48 find out. When you write 25 multiplication 25, output 125 automatically find in Python program. That must also be source code on find out on the Python program. Suppose your multiplication 25 into 5, the output is on 1 on 25. That also find in Python programs. But a division, there are two types of divisions. One division you get the quotient value. Other division you can find the remainder. When you have used front slash, you get the output is that division value. At 60 divided by 12 output is that 5. These are divisions. When 70 divided by 2, that division output is 35. This is known as divisions. But when you have used that percentage symbols, but in percentage symbol Python is that said that module divisions. Module division means get the remainder value. 34 divided by 2, get the remainder value is that 0. 57 module division 11, remainder value is that 2. This is known as module division. This is known as divisions. Here is that Python, no other programming language system not available. When you have type that star, double star, then explanatory value also we find out. Here are 2 to the power, suppose you have write that 2 to the 2 star, dot star, double star means find the value is that 4. Then 2 to the power 2. Here is that find that, suppose here is that 2. So output is that 2 to the power 2 is that 4. Here is that double star mean find the staple explanation. Here 3 to the power 3 means 2 means your value is that 3, 2. Here is that 3 to the power 9. Here 2 to the power double 3 means 2 to the power, here is that 2 to the power 3. 2 to the power 3 is that Python data also output that 8. 2 into 2 into 3 means 2 to the power 6. Above source code can be run in Python. Python में उसी सोर्स कोड को आप रन करेंगे, कुछ ना कुछ आउटपुट निकालेंगे. This is the method of the Python's program run. Then others in processing all the other method अभी बताएंगे. Python complete the part 3. Next part 4 will be discussed. Okay. Thank you. Bye bye. This also be completed. Next is that